Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you an unplanned mod for my E90 BMW. Unfortunately, there's unexpected damage on my mirror. It wasn't my doing, I wasn't driving, but it's going to be cheaper to put an aftermarket solution on my car than it would be to go with an OEM piece that's painted. One of the tabs is busted, so it came out real easy. I've already installed an aftermarket solution on my G20 BMW. As you can see, I've been happy with that. It looks really good on this car. Let's get these unboxed. So when I first saw this solution, I didn't know how I felt about it, to be honest with you. I saw it many months ago and it would have been a very easy video to make, but I just felt like something looked off. But now that I see it in person, I'm kind of changing my opinion on that. Let's see how they look on the car. So in my opinion, this mirror kind of looked a little odd right from the factory. I always felt like it just didn't seem like it had the right shape. I always liked the look of the M3 mirrors, but they were super expensive. It just didn't seem worth doing. And the LCI mirrors look great as well, but they just look a little big in my opinion. They kind of look out of place on the car, on the E90. So the early mirror looks all right with these M-style inserts in my opinion. Not crazy about it, but you know what? They look better than I expected. And this is why I'm upgrading. They're damaged. This mirror is still fine, so it should be a little more difficult to remove. Maybe not. Given this car is jet black, it worked out in my favor because these are readily available in this color for about $70, believe it or not, for the set. So it was cheaper for me to just go aftermarket and slap these on and fix my problem. But you know, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. These look better than I expected. Let's take a closer look. By the way, if you guys haven't seen it, this is the F-Series wheel that I installed on my E-Series car. I'm really loving it. That's how the mirror looks from the driver's seat, not bad. And here's how they look folded. It looks about the same when the mirrors are folded as to my M340i. I almost didn't want to make this video because there's a ton of content like this on YouTube for these mirrors, but I was really on the fence. Until my mirror got damaged, I wasn't interested in buying these, but now I realize that they look better than I expected in person. So maybe it'll influence some of you guys if you're on the fence, because they actually look pretty good. I'll put a link in the description as usual. Alright guys, if this is the first video you're catching of mine, please consider subscribing. I do upload regularly. Thanks for watching.